what to do in Athens if you're only staying for one day? Quick answer to that is to reschedule. Athens is a beautiful city with thousands of years of history, so one day is not enough. But if for any reason you absolutely cannot reschedule and you only have available one day, I will show you what is the absolutely necessary things from morning to night, and you will cover pretty much all the nice stuff that you need to see. The best part is that everything is walking distance from one another, and you will not need a car and you will not need any public transportation. To make that even easier, you need to book your hotel in the city center. Go check my video on where to stay and where not to stay when you visit Athens. Go check the link in the description for more information on that. The Acropolis Hill. You need to be at the entrance of the Acropolis at 8 in the morning. Getting here this early helps you avoid the crowds and the midday heat. Some extra tips for the Acropolis visit. First, you need to wear non-slip shoes. It's very easy to slip up there. When you reach the entrance, the only thing that is allowed is water. No beverage, no food. And get lots of water with you, a few bottles per person. You will need it for sure. Expect to spend 2 hours here, so you will be done by 10. Pre-book your ticket to save some time. I will put in the description the link for that. Next, we head to Plaka for a relaxing break. But first I want to show you which way to follow, because some people get confused. So behind me is the exit from the Acropolis Hill. Some people choose to go on the left-hand side, but that's the way it's longer to reach Plaka. So when you exit, you go on the right-hand side, follow this path here, and actually I will show you why. When you reach at the end, you will see some stairs. I'll get closer and you will see that. So when you reach here, you follow them and you go up there. This is Acropolis Hill. So when you get up the hill, you have this beautiful view of the Acropolis. And I'll show you. And follow this path here. And you will have a nice view of the whole city. Right in front of you. So beautiful. This that you can see down here is the ancient Agora. The whole city and the Acropolis. This hill is called Acropolis Hill, and it used to serve as court in ancient times for serious cases. So now, as we go down the stairs, we don't go on the right hand side just here that we came from. We are going on the left hand side to this beautiful path. Just a few minutes walking later, and we are in Plaka. Plaka is a charming neighborhood with picturesque streets and shops. I will link in the description a few places that you can go grab your coffee around Plaka, and you choose which one you want. Look, it's beautiful. It's 3 o'clock now, and it's a time that people, they're just indoors because they've done this their morning activities, so it's not that crowded. But if you come here earlier in the morning or later in the afternoon, it's like very crowded. I would dedicate 2 hours for Plaka to walk around and the coffee break. Just a few minutes walking distance from Plaka area, you can find the ancient Agora. This ancient marketplace used to be the heart of the city. Walk through the ruins and imagine how life used to be in ancient times. Don't miss out the Temple of Ephesus, one of the best preserved ancient monuments in Greece. Right when you finish your ancient Agora visit, it's time for lunch. There are so many different options on restaurants right around that area. You can go either to Plaka area or Monastiraki or Theseo. They're all nice options and they're all walking distance from your location. I will link a few restaurants. Maybe you like something of them, or you just walk around and find something that you like. And for lunchtime, I would dedicate more or less 2 hours. I've been saying for so long that when you visit Greece, be careful during summertime to not be in the outdoors from 11 to 4. And that's true. But if you only have one day, you don't really have the luxury of staying half of the day in the indoors. So I'm suggesting those things that you will do. But if you feel uncomfortable, or if you have any medical condition, or for some reason you cannot take anymore the heat, it's don't continue. Just go straight to your accommodation. Take a cold shower, because heat stroke is it's a difficult situation. I've had one a few days back, and it was horrible. And yeah, especially if you're not used to this kind of climate. Now, after you have this beautiful lunch, I guess you will be sleepy. You will need some time to rest, maybe take a cold shower or something. Because then in the afternoon we still have a lot to do and a lot to explore. At 6 o'clock, exactly on the hour, is the changing of the cards. Happening every hour. It's more convenient for you to be here at around 6 o'clock, so you continue for the rest of your evening around here. And it takes place just in Syntagma, just outside the parliament in Syntagma. The duration is around 10 to 15 minutes, and the guards arrive from the left-hand side, just around the corner. You will see them arriving this way. So you need to position yourself on the left, like how you look the parliament on the left. Actually be here, ready, 5 minutes to the hour, because they had already started at that time. Or my clock is wrong, I don't know, just be here 5 minutes earlier. These guards are called Evzones. It's the highest honor for a Greek soldier to be in this position, and they're guarding the unknown soldier. All the soldiers that have given their life for the country of Greece. From Syntagma, going to Monastiraki, you can walk down Ermou Street, which is the main shopping market in Athens. So after the change of guards in Syntagma, you can come to this area. It's the Monastiraki Square. So I will tell you what to do after the change of guard, and you pick your own order. You come to this area, and there's many nice restaurants around and tavernas. It's the same area, actually, very close to where we were for lunch, so that one also is all valid, but I will add a few more. It's nice because you can find many nice places to have dinner. Tavernas, restaurants, everything is around here. And the most important is the rooftop bars. So one place is 360, the other one is Attic, the other one is A for Athens, the other one is MS Roof Garden, the other one is Hyper. There is one there, it's called CL. And pretty much there can be around 10 more which are like hidden from my specific spot. They all have the amazing view of the Acropolis. And during the night, the Acropolis lights up. Even if you don't want a fancy dinner and you just want a snack like a gyros or something, this is a perfect area for that. There are many options. And I will write down in the description my most preferred ones, so you know where to go. There are also very nice places for gelato and ice cream. I know gelato is Italian, it's not Greek, but it's super hot around here, so we appreciate something refreshing. I'm sure that by now you will be looking to book your flights for the next time that you visit Athens. So go check my videos on what else is that you can do in Athens when you visit. See you in the next one.